Hi, welcome to my channel System Web Tech. In this video, we will see how to create a campaign on Google Map. Right? So this is the interface. On extreme left, you will see only the one campaign is here, nothing else. But once we will create it, you will see the campaign, smart campaign will be visible here. So right now only the one campaign, this is present. So let's start. Let's start and move to the next step. Right, so this is a campaign. You will see only the one campaign present. So for creating the ad on the Google Map, just present on this, come on this simple interface, and here you will click on the new campaign. Just click over the new campaign, then it will redirect to you the new interface, one interface. It will redirect to you. So as it is going to redirect, we will select the sales here and leads. There are two options. So here my objective is lead, so I will select this lead. After that, just you will see these four options. None of these four options you have to select. Not the Google search partner sites, this is not a valid. Just come here and the smart campaigns, and in smart campaigns you will see Google Maps and across the web. So I will select this, and then again this is a two radio buttons you will see. So we will see the select this button, visit to your storefront, so that we get the both the options. In visits to your storefront, it will give you there is a number where we will feed the number as well, and we will get the traffic on our site as well. So both the objective will be fulfilled. So we will select this radio button and then we will click continue. So I would like to inform you what is the actual ad is will be visible to you once we will create it. For example, we see 4 BHK in Gurgaon. So you will see one ad will be visible, right? So such kind of ads we are going to create it. And what the points to remember in it, that your ad should be listed, your location, your address, your office location address should be listed before running these ads on Google Map. And it is very beneficial for local listing business who have specific kilometers, who supply the services and products at specific kilometers, and whose business supplies and services is present to the local area or some regions. And what are other criteria is that it will run under the but in this ad you have to fill the heading three as well. So let's show you what I'm speaking about. If it's this interface get reload, we will move further, but till this interface is reloading again, let's see the one more example. For example, we take the 4-star hotel in Noida. So with different examples we are watching the ads is present, where the ads are present running on Google Map. So one we already seen one ad 4 BHK in Gurgaon. This is the example in front of you. Such ads will be visible. Ratings, and this is a ad, it is running, right? else the ad, there is no ad is visible. These are simple through via SEO, and these are the these wherever the ad is written, that is running through smart campaigns through AdWords only. So how we can run the ads on Google Map? It is by AdWords via campaigns. So these are known as campaigns. So let's show you about the 4-star hotel in Noida example. If it get loaded, we will see the we are sharing the different examples. This interface takes a little bit longer time to load. So these are the 3 steps. Your business, now whatever the business is reloaded, you have to select that address. See, in my these 4 are showing. So according to my project the clear example is visible. So I will select this. My project name is Pearl Sign, and under this my project addresses or office address is also visible. So I will take this example, I will select this, and again it will redirect to me the ad. Now I have to design the ad. So let's show you. It is also taking time. So let's before this, meanwhile let it design the ad, and once it get loaded, we will see the example, another example also. So as I already told you, we have to fill the heading 1, heading 2 and heading 3, right? So we already select the heading 1, heading 2 and heading 3 on our sheet, so that it will consume less time of our viewers. So for example, I am taking this heading 1, and as soon as this interface will reload, these 3 steps is showing us. So we already selected your business and audience. Now this is very interesting. I really liked it. Personally, I really liked it. It gave you the option of to select your audience, or yes, to select your audience, it show you, and here you can fill your location. Like this is my postal address, 110055. My office address is this, and from there you may select the radius, right? So my customer or my office or my client supply is till 200 kilometer. So therefore I am taking the maximum, it's showing the 65 kilometer. So it also radius is giving you 65 kilometer, not more than that. So you may also select some specific areas. Like you may select Noida, Gurgaon, Ghaziabad, right? So these ads will run specifically in these areas as well. or it is also showing you, suggesting you in above. Let me select this. And this Noida. Or it is better if you let me select the area, right, and my area is 65 kilometer. So till 65 kilometer it will run. You may zoom and see which areas are coming under the 65 kilometer, and I will click the next. Now here you will see the more options to target your ads to Here you will see another example of 4-star hotel in Noida. This is another example. This is also taking time little bit. Now it's get reloaded, right? So this is another example of 4-star hotel in Noida. So this ad is visible of Crown Plaza like this, and another ad is right. So this is the example you may watch. Ad is running here on 4-star hotel, and those who don't have this mark, AD mark, these are via organic. So how we will create it, we are learning in this video. We will see in this video. Let me add some key products. Billboards, it is suggesting you keywords. Let it take billboards if it is applicable. We are taking some keywords, it is already suggesting us. Let's take this one, this one, and one more example, one more. So it will take services. According to the services, you don't need to fill the keyword here, just add your product and service. And it will show you according to your product and service. Your ad will be visible to those audience only. Right, so let me add this keyword service also. Alright, so it is showing 7 to 10 products and services. Alright, and we will click the next. Now it is giving us the option of designing the ad. So here you will see the three kind of suggesting is also is present. All right, so you may select the whatever the Google recommend to you, or you may write the text as per your choice. So let's show you. This is already written. And this is the heading which we already created. Let's prepare at low cost. So it will give you only the 30 characters. If you exceed it, then right, you have to be limited till 30 characters. Right, till 30 characters. Else you may and there should not be any grammatical mistake while designing your ad. So let me redesign it. Advertising, digital neon sign, billboards, at low cost. at low price with, or you can also take the short forms with maintenance and warranty, right? With maintenance, warranty, or known supplies, right? Instead of call, you may write visit. Alright, so there should be a space between the words. As there is no space in warranty and comma, you may see the details. Right, so all the everything we filled it. You may write another ad also, but right now now we will save it and move to the next step. Run it, especially for those who have the supply and services till few kilometers, for those business verticals. So next is our step is budget, and then it will give you the review of your campaign which you design it. It will give you the option to review your ad, design of your ad before publishing. And as we are running it on a trial base, so we will take the budget of 100 rupees. Once it will be fruitful for us, so we will increase the budget, but on initial stage we will take only the 100 rupees. It is also giving you the option of phone number, so this is the advantage of, you will get the option of phone number as well. And website traffic also of relevant audience. This is the most important. Now it's showing you the recommended, but we will enter our own budget. Let's run it. Minimum budget, it's showing 32 rupees 32.90 per day, but we will take it 100 here because we are running it for trial basis. Once we get the good outcome, we will increase the budget. So yes, we will set it custom budget as per our choice. It was also showing you the reach. $80 to $150 ad clicks per month you will get. So it is very, seems to me of useful. So let's try it. Now it's giving you the review of your campaign settings, right? It shows the address along with our ad. And we will click the done. Once it will create it, you may add it also. Let it show you how you able to add it. So here we see the examples of 4-star hotel in Noida also. This is the mark of AD. You will see on those AdWords ad is running. And I already told you the criteria. Your ad should be listed on Google. Your office address, I'm really sorry, it is not your ad, it is your address. Location, and will means your office should have the business listing so that Google will able to catch your address, your location, and will able to run the ad or display the ad on your listed business, right? It is address, office address. Your office address should be listed on Google before running ad on Google Map. That is called the business listing. Your business should be listed. should be listed on Google or search engine. Right, so this is the criteria, and it will run under Smart Campaign, and heading 3 is also necessary. So this is how it is visible, your ad will be visible. These many impressions and clicks you will receive. Again we will click on the next. It will run 20th Jan. Alright, it is showing me the time, date. So below the advertisement, it is also showing the address also on with Google Map. So this is how now it's showing you your campaign active. It gets active, and this is your dashboard. Everything will be visible to you. You may to add it by clicking over here. For example, let me delete my you may give the home a page or business profile. Preview your business profile also, it's giving you option. So this is the address, and call now button is visible, directions and close. So I would photos of my work location, so I will prefer this and I will click save. Right, so this is how you can create your before now this Smart Campaigns is also visible. Before that only this is the option of campaign, search campaign. Now another example, another ad is visible, Smart Campaigns. So this is how you may create your run ads. You may run your ads on Google Map for local listing of your business. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, then do comment, and if you have any doubt